If you work with shapes, images, text boxes, or icons in LibreOffice Impress, grouping them can save you a lot of time and make your slides much easier to manage. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to group objects in LibreOffice Impress so you can move, resize, and organize multiple items as one single unit. And if you enjoy simple software tutorials like this, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you already have a presentation you want to work on, go ahead and open that file. If not, on the left side under Create, click Impress Presentation to start a new slideshow. Once your presentation is open, navigate to the slide that contains the objects you want to combine. Now here's the key step. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click each object you want to group. You can select multiple shapes, images, text boxes, or other elements one by one while keeping Shift pressed. Make sure all the objects you want are highlighted because only the selected items will be included in the group. This is especially useful if you have a title, icon, and shape that you want to move together. After your objects are selected, right-click on any one of the highlighted items. A context menu will appear. From there, hover over Group and then click Group again. This tells LibreOffice Impress to combine the selected objects into one grouped item. Once grouped, the objects will act like a single object, which means you can drag them around the slide together without accidentally moving one piece at a time. You'll also notice that grouped objects are much easier to resize and position consistently. Instead of adjusting each piece separately, you can scale the entire group at once and keep everything aligned. This is really helpful when designing professional-looking slides, especially if you want your layout to stay neat and balanced. If you ever need to make changes to an individual object inside the group, you can always ungroup it later by right-clicking the group and choosing Ungroup. But if your goal is to keep items together while editing, grouping is the fastest and cleanest solution. So, to quickly recap, open LibreOffice Impress, select your objects while holding Shift, right-click the selection, then go to Group and click Group. That's all it takes to group objects in LibreOffice Impress. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more LibreOffice tips, beginner-friendly guides, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.